Newton Crouch Incorporated presents technical tips.
Bolt that holds the eye of the pulley on here, it is a 15/16 size, and it has two nuts. One has a jam nut. What you're gonna need is an adjustable wrench, or either 15/16. And what you want to do is you want to hold the bottom one tight while you loosen the top one, as you can take it all loose, and reverse the method as you're putting it back together. You want to hold the bottom as you get a little tension on it. You don't want to over tighten it, because if you do, you're just gonna mess the bearing up. So what you want to do is you want to get the bottom tight enough, and then you want to lock the top one into it as a lock nut or a jam nut. Here is the first nut that goes on, and what that does is it pulls this idler pulley over, and it tightens the belt. As you do not want to over tighten it, but at the same time you want to get it tight enough that the belt ain't just flopping around. You want it to kind of be like, not guitar string tight, but close to it. And there again, this is your nut that you will tighten your tensioner pulley with to pull it over. And it also has a second nut, which is a jam nut, and you want to hold it as you tighten it with the second wrench. Jams it into one or the other. Okay, on these up here, the take-up bolts, the nuts, they are 9/16 in size. It's a 3/8 thread, common thread. And this one up here, again, it is a 15/16 bolt or nuts and wrench size. What was going on?
Tell me what was going on.
The bearing had moved through the pulley, or the pulley had moved down on the bearing, allowing the pulley to move down onto these washers right here. As you can see, I flipped the washer over. It was actually cutting into the washer where the pulley had settled down onto it.
So that solved two problems, the noise and the belt sound.
The most important alignment is between the drive pulley and the right-hand dish pulley. It must be straight. The idler pulley adjusts the tension on the belt. You must pay attention to belt tension. The belts will stretch after initial use. Once you've used the spreader, you must recheck the tension and adjust accordingly. Technical assistance is available online 24/7 on our YouTube channel or our website, newtoncrouch.com. You can call us at 800-241-1350 Monday to Friday and speak with a real person. No recorded messages. Our knowledgeable staff will be glad to assist you. Proudly made in America, a family-owned business since 1940, Newton Crouch.